It's a 2016 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, active noise cancellation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection observes, inside, the look is uniquely American, and the hand-cut and sewn coverings on the instrument panel and ambient lighting make for a rich environment. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.